Hello my dear students, welcome to the first video of Class 3 English Grammar. English Grammar is also a part of English Language or English 1. In this video, we will be discussing Chapter 2 of your Grammar Steps book. The name of the chapter is Sentences. So children, we all know that sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. So children, before we start these exercises, let me tell you an important thing. Whenever we start a sentence, the first letter is always capital and it ends either with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. So let's begin. Rearrange the group of words to form sentences. It is given on page number 9. Number 1, game, popular, is, football, a. So the answer is football is a popular game. Number 2, football, children play to love. Answer is children love to play football. Next is rewrite the sentence using capital letters and correct punctuation marks. That is a full stop or a question mark. Number 1, the bottle is dirty. The first letter should be capital. So we have written here capital T. The bottle is dirty. After dirty, we need to put a full stop. Number 2, where do you live? The first letter is capital W. Where do you live? And after live, we have put a question mark because this sentence is asking a question. Number 3, do my shoes look shiny? Answer, the first letter starts with capital D. Do my shoes look shiny? This sentence is asking a question. So we have put a question mark just after shiny. Number 4, please complete the exercise. Answer, the first letter is capital P. Please complete the exercise. And after exercise, we have put a full stop. Number 5, the parents are speaking with the teacher. Answer, start with capital T. The parents are speaking with the teacher. After the teacher, we have put a full stop in order to end the sentence. Next is read the sentences, circle the subjects and underline the predicates. So, when in a sentence, we are talking about a person or thing or an animal or place, we call it as subject, and the part of the sentence which tells us more about the subject, we call it as predicate. Okay, so let's start. Number 1, the painting is beautiful. So, first we need to check about what we are talking. Here we are talking about the painting, and the painting is a thing. So the painting is subject and we have circled the subject, and what we are talking about, that subject, that is a predicate. So we have underlined is beautiful. Next, number 2, Rahul was sleeping. Here we are talking about Rahul, and Rahul is the name of the person. So we have circled the subject Rahul. So was sleeping is predicate. We have underlined the predicate. Number 3, Molly is helping her mother. Molly is a subject and Molly is the name of a girl. What is she doing? Is helping her mother. So is helping her mother is a predicate. We have underlined. Number 4, the candle is burning brightly. Here we are talking about the candle. So the candle is a subject. Is burning brightly is a predicate. Number 5, the girl is wearing a green skirt. Here we are talking about the girl. So the girl is a subject. And is wearing a green skirt is a predicate. Number 6, the man is teaching his daughter. The man is a subject. Is teaching his daughter is a predicate. Number 7, the cleaner was cleaning the windows. Here the cleaner is a subject and was cleaning the windows is a predicate. Number 8, the crocodile was sleeping. The crocodile is the subject and was sleeping is the predicate. Next is, in each of the following sentences, circle the subject and underline the predicate. So number 1, a flock of sheep was grazing in the field. We are talking about here a flock of sheep. So circle a flock of sheep because that's the subject. Was grazing in the field is the predicate. So underline the predicate. Number 2, the Indian team won the cricket match. Subject is the Indian team won the cricket match is the predicate. Number 3, Sana and Vivan go to school by bus. Here the subject is Sana and Vivan. Go to school by bus is a predicate. Number 4, Mr. Kaur painted this landscape. Here the subject is Mr. Kaur and painted this landscape is a predicate. Number 5, Seema, Rohit and Moira made a doll's house. Here we are talking about Seema, Rohit and Moira. So circle the subject and made a doll's house is a predicate. So underline it. Number 6, the black elephant is eating the leaves of the tree. Here we are talking about the black elephant. So that's the subject. Is eating the leaves of the tree is predicate. So underline the predicate.